Be ready? Start. A suit was instituted in 1950 before the civil judge at Faizabad by a Hindu worshipper Gopal Singh Visharad, seeking a declaration that according to his religion and custom he is entitled to offer prayers at the main Janam Bhoomi temple near the idol's Stopera. The Nirmohi Akhada represents a religious sect amongst the Hindus known as the Ramanandi Bairagis. Stop. The Nirmohis claim that they were at all material times in charge and management of the structure at the disputed site, which according to them was a temple until 29th December 1949, on which date an attachment was ordered under section 145 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898. Stop. In effect, they claim as Shevayats in service of the deity, managing its affairs and receiving offerings from devotees. Stop. Theirs is a suit of 1959 for the management and charge of the temple Stopera. The Uttar Pradesh Sunni Central Board of Waqf, Sunni Central Waqf Board, and other Muslim residents of Ayodhya instituted a suit in 1961 for a declaration of their title to the disputed site. Stop. According to them, the old structure was a mosque which was built on the instructions of Emperor Babur by Mir Baqi, who was the commander of his forces following the conquest of the subcontinent by the Mughal Emperor in the third decade of the 16th century. Stop. The Muslims deny that the mosque was constructed on the site of a destroyed temple. Stop. According to them, prayers were uninterruptedly offered in the mosque until 23 December 1949, when a group of Hindus desecrated it by placing idols within the precincts of its three-domed structure with the intent to destroy, damage, and defile the Islamic religious structure. Stop. The Sunni Central Waqf Board claims a declaration of title and, if found necessary, a decree for possession. Stop. Para. A suit was instituted in 1989 by a next friend on behalf of the deity Bhagwan Shri Ram Virajman and the birthplace of Lord Ram, Asthan Shri Ram Janam Bhoomi. Stop. The suit is founded on the claim that the law recognizes both the idol and the birthplace as juridical entities. Stop. The claim is that the place of birth is sanctified as an object of worship personifying the divine spirit of Lord Ram. Stop. Hence, like the idol which the law recognizes as a juridical entity, the place of birth of the deity is claimed to be a legal person, or as it is described in legal parlance, to possess a juridical status. Stop.